Hello. Where are you?
Coron.
Palawan. Pero you can do it. Wow. Say hi. Scott.
Hey, fast.
Hi. Hello. We're kayaking here at Twin Lagoon here in Colon, Palawan. Oh, you can do it, Scott. Look at the water. Hi. Grabe yung tubig. Look at the water. It's so clear. Oh, look. Look at the water. Moy. Hi. Hello. Hello. Are you having fun? Someone is enjoying. Hi.
Like that.
What can you say about the water? What can you say about Coron, Palawan?
Beautiful.
Yeah, rate 1 to 10.
10.
10, yeah? Oh, who's that guy?